How to crochet a row of single crochets using my crochet aid. Step 1. Making the chains. Let's start with a chain of 11. So 11 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Step 2. Working single crochet stitches. Now I skip the first chain and insert my hook into the second chain. Because I'm using my crochet aid, I will bring the chain to the hook and insert it there. Now I have 2 strands of yarn on my crochet hook. 1, 2. Yarn over. Now I have 3 strands of yarn. 1, 2, 3. Using my thumb and index finger, I'm going to hold the middle strand. And using my middle, fourth, and pinky finger, I'm going to hold the strand of yarn that is attached to my ball of yarn. I slide the strands over the first strand of yarn and over the hook. And once it is fully over, I drop it. Now I have 2 strands of yarn on my crochet hook. Yarn over. My fingers are in the same position as before. Thumb and index finger holding the crochet piece, I am going to slide both the second and the third strand of yarn off the hook. And now I have created my first single crochet stitch. Let's try that one more time. I am going to find my next chain to insert my crochet hook in. In my case, I'm going to bring the chain to the hook. Now I have 2 strands. Yarn over. I have 3 strands. I'm going to slide the middle strand off the hook like this. And I'm going to, once again, yarn over. I have 3 strands. I am going to slide the second and the third strand of yarn off my hook. Okay, perfect. I'm going to continue doing this until the end of the row. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If there are any crochet stitches you would like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!